Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are excited to dive into the fashion world of Jessika Nurse, the amazing talent we are seeing. Today Jessika Nurse, also called it as a Nurse Jessika, is a beautiful and amazing girl plus-size model, social media influencer and TikTok star, recognized popular for her individuality. She has 341,000 followers on her North Lakes Instagram account, which according to internet is her main and Jessika's journey. Beginning started on TikTok, they actively share content relating to her lifestyle, self-expression and fashion choice. She is built a community of her followers after that who admires her inability outlet towards influencing and her popular life and turning videos. Jessika's TikTok and the other Instagram also highlights our strong and confident personality, often addressing socially judgmental with grace and humor. Today, Jessika is a model, fashionette and international who connects with popular brands from worldwide. So that's it for today's part. If you inspiring the Jessika Nurse, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.